Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're gonna talk about the OnePlus 9T price, detailed price, retail price, price in dollars, and warranty of that mobile, and some detailed specifications. So in the detailed specification we're gonna talk about the built-in quality, frequency range, processor, camera, and some extra feature of that variant. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notifications of my video. So let's get started the video. Here we have the OnePlus 9T. Price in Pakistan will be 98,999. And we're gonna talk about we're gonna scroll down here we have the OnePlus 9T price in Pakistan. Okay, the price in Pakistan will be 98,999 and the price in dollars will be 447 in dollars. So what is new in this variant? This is a powerful specification phone. So now we can talk about the detailed specification. Here we're gonna start it from the detailed specification of OnePlus 9T. Okay, so here we have the built-in quality. So in the built-in quality, here we have Android 11 OS, UI design will be Color OS 11, dimension will be 8.1 mm. Here we have a weight of 192 in grams. SIM will be dual SIM standby, nano SIM. And here we're going to talk about the color variant. So there are three color variant of that model. The first one will be winter mist, second will be Arctic sky, and the third one will astral black. And now here we have the frequency. In the frequency, they are supporting the frequency range of 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G broadband in this variant. Now we're going to talk about the processor. So in the processor, here we have CPU octa-core, okay, and chipset will be the Snapdragon of 888 Plus with the GPU of Adreno 660. And here we have the display. So in the display, here we have AMOLED capacitive touch screen with a 16 color with multi-touch. Size of the display will be 6.43 inches of screen with the resolution of 1080p into 2400 pixels. Now we're going to talk about the protection of the display. So it will be the Gorilla Glass. And here we have the memory option. So in the memory option, here we have 256 GB of built-in quality of storage within 12 GB of RAM, USF 3.1, and this variant don't support any micro SD card. And here we have the camera options like main camera, features about that camera, and front camera. The main camera will be the quad camera of 108 megapixel with LED flashlight, and here we have the front camera of 32 megapixels. And now we can tell you the features of the red camera, like dual LED flashlight, HDR mode, video in panorama, video in 8K, 4K, 1080p resolution, and much more. And here we have the connectivity features like WLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and data. Wi-Fi will be 802.11, Bluetooth will be V5.2. And here we have some other features like sensor of fingerprint under display, optical, okay, and other features like audio, browsing, games, torch, extra feature, active noise cancellation, and interactive mic. And here we have the battery capacity of lithium-ion non-removable battery of 4500 volts with fast charging support. So hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.